So here we are, we're back in the tailor's for the first fitting of the day. And say 24 hours exactly for when I first come in here yesterday. So let's see what's it all about.
Hand back, please, sir.
So what's this, just making the template for the first cuts?
Yes. The length is never changeable, so I must fold.
Yeah.
Show you how the length.
Do you like so far? Good material that I chose?
Yeah.
Huh? So because it's a dress suit, can I, the button, you say one button there, or can it be like that with a button there and a button there? So it links across.
That style is very old style.
Older style, yeah, but I'm old bloke.
Very old.
Okay, no, single button, that's it.
So this goes okay, or you want more tight?
No, that's fine.
So this must lose.
Hang on, let's have a look. Yeah, fine. Yeah, no, that's okay.
This is loose fit jacket.
Yeah. Let's have a look. That's where I want it, just there. Yeah? In the cup of my hand.
Length is fine?
Yeah. I think just ½ inch
Shorter.
no shorter, yeah. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Dead on. Can I have one of them? Because I do wear.
Like this?
I got a hunt in England. I wear a hunter watch. You know the old hunter watch.
Yes, I know. So you want?
Is it too late to do that?
No, not actually, not too late.
All right.
If you want, I can do it.
Yeah. Because I wear hunter watch.
If you want, you can come number 10 for check everything.
Number 10.
Yes. Yeah, check everything. I mean your pant, shirt, jacket as well.
Shall I bring the shoes?
Yes.
That I've got. They come today, so I can bring the shoes here.
You have the shoes here, you can bring.
Yeah. Right, there you go. That was the rough fitting. We've got to come back now on number 10, the 10th of April. And that will be the fitting of the suit. So